Is Zoom screen sharing not working during your meetings? Whether the share screen button is unavailable, participants can't see your screen, or Zoom displays a black screen while sharing, there are several ways to fix the issue. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zoom screen sharing not working in 2026. First, make sure screen sharing is allowed in the meeting. If you're a participant, the host may need to enable screen sharing permissions before you can share your screen. Close Zoom completely and reopen the application. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent screen sharing from working correctly. Outdated software can cause compatibility problems. Open Zoom settings and check for updates, then install the latest version available. On some systems, Zoom requires permission to record or capture your screen. Open your privacy settings and make sure Zoom has access to screen recording and display sharing features. Applications that use overlays, graphics acceleration, or screen capture features can sometimes interfere with Zoom screen sharing. Close unnecessary programs and try again. Instead of sharing your entire desktop, try sharing a single application window. This can help determine whether the issue is related to full screen sharing. If screen sharing still isn't working, restart your computer. Restarting can clear temporary system conflicts and refresh graphic services used by Zoom. And that's how to fix Zoom screen sharing not working in 2026. By checking permissions, updating Zoom, and testing different sharing options, you can solve most screen sharing issues quickly. So try these troubleshooting steps and get your presentations back on track. Thanks for watching.